In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders to signers in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know how to upload your document, enable automatic reminders, customize when they start, how often they repeat, and send your envelope with confidence. First, open DocuSign in your browser and head to the Send page. From there, choose Get Signatures. This is the quickest path to starting a new envelope, which is just DocuSign's term for the package that contains your documents, recipients, and settings. Next, click Upload to add the file you want signed. Choose Desktop if that's where your document is stored, then select your file. Once it loads into the envelope, you're ready to set the reminder rules that will gently nudge your signers if they haven't completed the document. Look for the Settings or Gear icon to open Advanced Options. In Advanced Options, select Reminders. Turn Reminders on. You'll know it's enabled when the control highlights, indicating DocuSign will begin sending follow-ups automatically. Now customize the timing. For the reminder delay, choose Custom Days and select 2 days. This means DocuSign will wait 2 days after you first send the envelope before it sends the first reminder. Then set how often reminders will repeat. Again, choose Custom Days and select 2 days. With this, signers who still haven't completed the document will get a reminder every 2 days until they finish or the envelope completes. Click Save to apply these settings. As a quick tip, the delay and frequency can be adjusted to match your workflow. Shorter cycles create urgency, while slightly longer ones can feel less intrusive. With reminders in place, add your recipients. Enter the people who need to sign or receive the document and assign their roles as needed. Clear recipient details help ensure reminders reach the right inboxes and that the signing order, if you use one, works as expected. When your recipients are set, continue by selecting Next, Add Fields. This takes you to the Prepare screen where you can confirm that signature, date, and any other required fields are placed correctly. A quick review here prevents back and forth later. Everything ready? Click Send. Your envelope goes out immediately, and DocuSign will handle the follow-ups automatically using the 2-day start and 2-day repeat you just configured. That's it. You've uploaded your document, enabled reminders, customized the delay and frequency, saved your settings, added recipients, reviewed fields, and sent the envelope, so your signers get timely, automated nudges without any extra effort from you.